So, what's behind the digital banking boom in MEA?
Well, a couple of things. The first thing is youth. The region's super young, with about half the population under the age of 26 years old, and they're technically savvy. And the second is financial inclusion, because mobile banking is reaching millions of unbanked people, helping to increase financial inclusion.
So, banks are not just going digital to keep up, but they're also attracting new clients.
Well, yeah, exactly. Banks aren't just following a trend anymore. They're actually strategically investing in mobile first solutions to retain and keep long term customers.
AI is a big buzzword nowadays, but do you think it's actually making a big difference?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it's helping banks personalize experiences, fight fraud, and also support their customers. I mean, take Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank, for example. They've got a chatbot that supports 150,000 requests a month in 17 different dialects.
Wow, so it's not just smart, but also very inclusive.
Yeah, exactly. And it is also raising important questions around transparency and regulation. And at SBS, we see banks succeeding when they proactively target these issues early.
We've seen super apps explode in Asia. Do you think MEA is heading the same direction?
Oh, yeah, it's already underway. I mean, Orange, the telecom giant, launched Maxit, which is a super app that combines payments, banking, and e commerce, and they're planning to launch in 12 different countries.
Wow, but are there things that are slowing things down?
Regulation. I mean, unlike Asia, MEA's regulatory environment is completely fragmented, and banks that are able to navigate the complexity of this environment are the ones that are succeeding.
Are we looking at a future where cash is replaced by digital money in MEA?
Not overnight, but the shift is definitely happening, with around 94% of central banks globally exploring digital currencies. Currently in the MEA, Saudi Arabia, and the UAE, they have tested it, called Project ABBA, which is a cross-border digital currency.
So digital money could actually be the next big thing in the region.
Yeah, it definitely could be, especially with cross-border payments being so costly in the region. Digital currencies are helping to reduce this cost and make it more financially inclusive.
We keep hearing about sustainability. Now, what about banks in MEA region? Are they doing anything about it?
Well, some are. Attajari Wafa Bank has invested over $1 billion in green projects. But here's the catch. Almost half the region's banks still don't have a clear sustainability strategy.
And it seems like a huge gap to me.
Well, it is, especially since customers and regulators are paying closer attention these days. So it's not a nice to have anymore, it's essential for banks to have a sustainability strategy.
Clearly, digital banking in MEA is at a tipping point with AI, demographics, digital money, ESG, and super apps on the rise. We see a lot of changes in the region.
Yeah, and we want to hear from you. Which trends do you think are going to impact banking in MEA over the next 5 years? And where do you see traditional banks fitting into this future?
Let us know down in the comments, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications.
See you next time.